This is a unique Master of Science program that combines healthcare innovation, data science, and management to equip the students with both strategic and technical skills that are needed for digital transformation of the healthcare sector. It also incorporates real-world projects, international immersion, and a professional internship to bridge theory and practice. Students will gain strong expertise in data analytics, digital health technologies, and innovation management, which are essential for today's healthcare sector as the adoption of data-driven and AI-enabled solutions increases within the sector. They will also develop strategic decision-making skills and project leadership skills, which will be tailored especially to the healthcare environments. The international learning trip and the international term are particularly exciting for me as well as for the students because it gives them an opportunity to understand different healthcare systems, different cultures, and professional practices. It also offers them an opportunity to build their global network and to apply their learning in an international, real-world context. Innovative, interdisciplinary, and transformative.